Hello everyone, welcome to Trivial Logic. Today's topic is HCF by factorization method. So we will do HCF with the help of factors. Now first we will write down the numbers. Today we are going to find the factors of 36, 40 and 50. 36, 40 and 50. So before we proceed, I want to tell you that we have to find the factors of these numbers. Now what are factors? Factors are the numbers in which tables this numbers comes. For example, 36 comes in which tables? 36 comes in 1's table, yes. So 1 into how much 36 comes? 1 into 36. We can write down in this way. It will be easy way. Okay. Then we can write down 2 into how much? You can divide and see. Yeah, 18, 2 into 18, then 3 into 12, 4 into 9 and 6 into 6. So why I am writing in this way? Because if you write in this way 1 into 36 immediately, so you will not miss any of the number, and in ascending order all the numbers will be arranged and it will be easier for you to find the common factors. Okay, so always try to write down the factors in this way only. Then number 40. So 40 comes in 1's table. So 1 into how much? 1 into 40. 2 into, if you don't know 2 into how much, you can divide and see. Okay, so 2 into 20. 3, no, it doesn't go. 4 into 10, 5 into 8. That's it. I hope you can understand the factors. This is the easiest way of finding the factors. Okay. Then comes 50. 1 into 50. 2 into how much? If you don't know, you can just do a rough and check it. Okay. So 2 into 25. Then 3's table it will not go, 4's table it will not go, 5's table it will go, 5 into 10. So that's it. So here we have got all the factors of the given numbers. So after we find the factors, we have to find the common factors. Okay. So you can see common here, 1 is always common. Then what you can see, 2 is there. 2 is also common. Any more number? 5, 5. No. Any more number is here? No. So we can write down common factor equals to 1, 2. Okay. Now what is HCF? HCF means highest common factor. You have got the common factors 1 and 2. Among these two numbers, which is highest? 2 is highest. So 2 is the answer. So this is the process of doing HCF with the help of factorization method. Thank you. And if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and give a like.